Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. FETCH.AI continues to be in this support area that we already discussed in previous videos. The support range is unchanged. It's defined between $1.28 and $2.07 with the 38.2 retracement as actually an ideal target for such a wave for pullback. And it's located at $1.59. You can see that in this structure, a third wave presumably topped here around the 9th of March. And then we started an A wave down, very choppy, very corrective price action basically. And then we have the B wave rally, which was clearly only in 3 waves. And then the C wave down should be a 5-wave move. Now counting that is a bit ambiguous, but the strong move down looks like a third wave. And it's possible to count the move down as an ending diagonal in wave C. So 1-2 was a wave 1 was a 3-wave move, the wave 3 an ABC in wave 3, and this could be a wave 4, a little bit aggressive, but makes sense if we consider this an ending diagonal, and the wave 5 could be an ABC structure. Basically, that's the idea. And we have only 3 waves into the resistance area, and the resistance area isn't broken. So from that point of view, we're looking still for possibly lower prices. Another high was missing. Otherwise, we could have considered that a first 5 up, but it's not. So I'm considering this as an ABC structure possibly, which could then send the price down to the next fib level. One second, let me actually change the wave degrees here. Yeah. That C wave could send the price down to 159, 158, 159. That's the next fib level. Okay, could go a little bit below that. Maybe we have additional support here in that region. Previous swing low here around 138, 137, 135 actually, and then 128 is the 50% retracement level. As I mentioned before, because we are in a 4th wave pullback, most likely, as per the current thesis, until support levels break, that's my assumption. We shouldn't see the price break below $1.28. Well, that doesn't mean it couldn't happen. It could, but then it's not in this or under this thesis, not within this structure. And that means something different is going on likely, and I would have to change my perspective. So that would mean something more bearish, and that would basically question the overall bullish posture on this chart. So therefore, the $1.28 level really is the last reliable bullish support level here. The move down is quite sharp, but there is still plenty of space. And the next move to the upside should still see the price get to round about $4.72. That's the next Fibonacci target, Fibonacci level to the upside. Then we've got some levels above that here. $5.72 is an important one as well, and $6.31. Possibly $8.40, but let's first see if support holds, and then a break above $2.50, which is the 61.8 retracement, is sort of the first evidence that a low has formed there. But then, yeah, then the next move up would likely be an ending diagonal, which is possible. So again, we are moving in a 5th wave or into a 5th wave, so it's likely going to move in corrective structures, which is why I can't really rule out that it's starting to move up from here, okay, because it's a 3-wave move up, but it could just be like the A wave of a 5th wave. So if you want to prepare for that scenario, you can always set a stop below the last low. If the 5th wave has started, we shouldn't break that low, or you start to add a little bit here and then maybe around 159 and 128. Just be aware that below that level, the overall bullish posture, the overall bullish structure of this chart it will get damaged, and things will get much less certain. At the moment, we're still in a bullish market, and also this setup is still very much active, but we just don't have evidence that a low is in. Also, just now, Bitcoin, I think, continues to sell off. Bitcoin seems to be like 10% down today. No, that can't be. Or maybe. No way. Okay, there's an error here on TradingView probably. Anyway, this is currently what I'm looking at. So yeah, situation hasn't changed. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.